So what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a price prediction for Nvidia. Don't have one on our chart today, so hopefully, given the price action recently, we can drop a price prediction today on the charts to reflect what we think the market is about to do. Welcome everyone to the channel. Make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe. We're here to give you all the information according to the charts, not what you guys see on social media or on mainstream media, even at the analysts who do this on a regular basis. We don't listen to what they say, but rather we pay attention to what they do. All right, so if you guys want to learn more, make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe, and you tap that bell so you guys get wind of when my predictions are being produced on this platform. Now, what's been going on in Nvidia? Well, I mean, the market has been in a downtrend. Not surprising. The market high in Nvidia occurred back in the beginning of the year. Okay, and price currently is still trending to the downside. Now, we're almost to the point to where price is going to test this downtrend line. We're seeing the market currently trade at around $113. It is hitting this sell pocket right here for Nvidia. Okay, so naturally, our first inclination is that price is to go down because it's trading within a sell pocket. The last time price in Nvidia came to this pocket, price reacted lower. We're here again. Do you think the price is going to continue to go down? If you do, then that's going to be our prediction. If we don't, we're going to look for the market to go higher and potentially test this sell pocket and or this downtrend line. Okay, so let's go ahead and make this downtrend line black. Okay, got it. So now let's look at Nvidia on the 2. What do you guys think? Does the market in Nvidia look bullish or bearish? What about on the 3? What about Nvidia on the 4? We have what? Let's see. We have a couple more hours before this 4-day bar completes. We have 9 hours and 6 minutes. It doesn't look too bad. The 4-day bar right here doesn't look too bad. Here it is on the 5. Same thing here on the 5. It doesn't look too bad. Now, when I look at this on the 5, you saw how the market Nvidia closed down on this 5-day bar, but immediately the next 5 days it went up, and we're still seeing price go up. So, to me, I would think that the buyers currently wanted more than the sellers. Let's look at Nvidia on the weekly. This is what happened last week. Okay, so when I combine all of these weekly price bars, let's take it from this week, right? This was a sell signal hitting the market for Nvidia on the weekly time frame. We started out on the next following week. Price started lower, but then it closed at the high of the bar. Next week, price went down. Week after that, price went up. And then again, price went up. So generally, when I look at all of these weekly price bars right here, I will have to give it to the buyers. Okay, I would think that they will want it more, or at least they're controlling the price action right now. The weekly chart does look pretty bullish right there. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Okay, yeah, take a look at that on the 2. Somebody's buying up this stop right here. This 2 weeks and this one, because price during these two weekly price bars did go lower, but the sellers couldn't keep price down. You guys can see where the market closed. It closed up there at the high of the bar. So again, there is some strength. Buyers are definitely determined to lift this market up in Nvidia. Here it is on the 3. Take a look at Nvidia on the 4. I'm on the 5. Here it is on the monthly chart. Okay, so now, am I saying that the market is ready to explode? Am I telling you that the price is ready to rally? Not necessarily, because just like I told you, it's a sell pocket right there. And with any sell pocket, automatically we need to think that the market's going to react lower. And that's currently what we're seeing right there on the 5-hour chart. Here it is on the 3. I'm just trying to see if these buyers are trying to support the market at this sell pocket, because right now I really don't see that. Here it is on the 1 hour. So if we were to create positions to where we will want to see buyers hold the market, it will be right here. We won't want to see price fall below that area. Here's on the 330. Okay, so let's get rid of this buy pocket, and we're going to take this here and place it right there. And here's another buy pocket. So these three pockets is where we don't want to see the market fall below. Okay, price. We don't want to see Nvidia fall below, preferably this one, this buy pocket up there around 110. That really tells us that this market is bullish, if the price does not fall below that pocket. But in the event that it does, our next target will be around like 104. Don't want to see the market fall below 104, because if it does, then this market, if anything, is going to give us more of a consolidation of trader range like this. Okay, so we don't want to see that happen either. Pretty much we need to see whether or not this strength is going to be maintained in that pocket. There's a chance that it won't. Like, I'm gonna keep it a buck. I'm gonna keep it real. It's a chance that the market buyers don't have enough money to support this sell pocket, and these sellers will continue to push the market down, which is why I really want to emphasize this area right there. Let's see if these buyers really want the market, because if they do, they'll buy it. If they don't, sellers will control, and we'll see price in Nvidia continue to drop. Just that simple. All right, so let me add that pocket there too. Let me get rid of that. So now we're going to anticipate higher prices in the market in Nvidia. I'm telling you now though, this is an area of selling. So from out the gate, I wouldn't be surprised to see Nvidia go lower. I'm just telling you that right now. Okay, so our first target though would be like right here at $121. That's 6.25% move there. Our next target will be like 124, 125, 8.25, 8.3 right there. I'm not going to take it no higher than that, because I really want us to see these buyers will break this downtrend. That's where the market test is going to be. To me, I think it's going to be like right around here. That's where the test really is going to occur in the market for Nvidia. All right, so that's it. I'm done. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.